FBV-720 VFFS form fill seal machine with 4 heads weight scales. Full packing system including 1. Z-type lift conveyor. 2. Automatic 4-head linear scales. 3. 1800 by 1800 by 2000 mm work platform. 4. FBV-720 VFFS gusset pouch packaging machine. 5. Automatic output conveyor. Main features: 1. Full automatic waveform fill seal type, efficient and simple to use. 2. Use famous brand electric and penumatic components, stable and long life cycle. 3. Use superior mechanical components, reduce the wear outless. 4. Easy to install film, auto-correcting the excursion of the film. 5. Apply advanced operating system, easy to use and reprogrammable. It makes your packing work easy and efficiency.